Then we see the third disaster, that is the forest fire. Then fourth one is the increased risk due to high density of population in limited area. So due to high population in limited area, there will be chances increased of such type of disaster. Okay, that is fire catches, lightning will be there. So heavy rain, due to heavy rainfall, floods will be occurred in such regions, that is the limited area where is the population is very high. Then we see the rampant and irregular construction, means there is a no control of such type of construction will be occurred in some places on the earth surface. So due to this construction also some disasters will be occurred. Okay, the possibility of disaster will be increased due to such regions. Then we see the ecological imbalance will be occurred. If there is ecological balance imbalance takes place, so such type of heavy rainfall occur, then earthquake will be occurred. So these disasters occurs due to this ecological imbalance. So another reasons of the disaster, that is terrorism, riots and crimes. These activities of humans resulting in the bomb explosion, means these are activity done by some human beings. Okay, so these human beings, due to this activity such type of disasters occur, that is bomb explosion, assaults means physical attack, then fire and accident. So here we see some reasons, will be these reasons causes the various types of disasters. Okay, these are the reasons. So here we see disasters are of two mankind's and man-made. Sorry, means there are two types of disasters. Which are they? That is, the first one is man-made and second is the natural. So in this box they gives us some examples of these disasters. You find out which are the man-made and which are the natural disasters. Okay, so do this in your notebook. Classify the following disaster as a man-made or natural. So here, fire, earthquake, leakage of chemical gases, storm, floods, tsunami, bomb explosion, collapse of building, war, forest fire. So you classify all these disasters, either they are man-made or natural disaster. Okay, do this activity in your notebook. Then we move our next point. Here we see there are the events that causes the damage of life, okay, property, natural or nation's society. Okay, so in that way these events causes a damage, so we call these events are a disasters. So in your this lesson we see some disasters, how these disasters occur, and we see the effect of this disaster. Okay, one by one. So here we start from the earthquake. Okay, types, first we see types of disasters. Which are they? Some are the man-made. If you see this image you can understand these are the man-made disasters. Okay, then we see some are the natural disasters, that is storm, then heavy flood due to heavy rainfall, earthquake, these are the some natural disaster. Then volcano eruptions, these are the natural disaster. Okay, so here by using this you can classify this all the disasters as a man-made and natural disaster. Okay, so here we see our first disaster that is given in your textbook, that is earthquake. Okay, so here first we see what is the earthquake. Here movements in the interior of the earth. Here it is our earth. Okay, this is the picture of our earth. So during this earthquake what happened actually? So here what happened? Interior of the earth released tremendous amount of energy. Interior space of the earth, it released tremendous energy. Okay, tremendous means is energy is emitted in the large amount, and due to this energy what happened? This causes seismic waves. If we see this picture, this causes the seismic waves. Okay, because of lot of energy is emitted by the earth interior part, and these seismic waves leading the movement of the earth surface. Which type of movements will occur? See here, due to this waves, due to the seismic waves what happens? Such type of vibration will be occurred inside the earth surface. Which type of activity will occur? Like tremors, shaking and cracking. Okay, due to these waves, this see there, which type of, here which type of this activity will occur inside the earth surface due to seismic waves. Seismic means vibratic wave, vibratic waves. Waves, due to these waves, earth interior part get vibrated, and due to this vibration what happened, there are tremors like this. Tremors, then shaking means like this earth surface gets shake like this. Okay, if you shake any objects, how this will be occurred, in that way the earth will be get shaking, and also there some crack will be occurred in during this procedure. Okay, here in that way what happen, due to the seismic waves it leads the movement of earth surface. In which way the movement of earth surface occur, that is it will be tremors occur, shaking of the earth occur, and cracking will be appear on the earth's interior part and outer part. Okay, so here in resulting what happen, due to this all activities the earth will be crack, and due to this crack and shaking, the which objects are lie on that earth surface, it will get damaged. Okay, so these are the such vibrations or quaking in the earth surface crust is known as earthquake. So here if we see this image, these vibrations or quaking means here interior side of the earth surface get cracking, tremors, shaking due to this activity. Or why this vibration occurs, due to tremendous or large amount of energy will be thrown out of the earth surface or interior of the earth, and due to this energy there is a production of waves takes place, and due to this vibratic waves the tremor, shaking and cracking of earth surface takes place, and due to this vibrations or quaking, earth surface or earth crust get cut or damaged, and due to this it is resulting, we call it is a earthquake. Okay, due to these waves this earth surface get crack, and cracking of this earth surface we call as a earthquake. Okay, so here it is called earthquake. Due to this earthquake damage of the property on the earth surface will be done, will be occur. Okay, so in that way such type of damage will be occurred of all the properties which are on the this earth surface. Which are the reason, here we see the reasons of this earthquake. Okay, so today we see what is the earthquake. In the next lecture we see the effect of earthquake. Okay, so have a good day. Bye.